Alright, hello everyone. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. Today I've been just walking around this Namba area and just doing like a vlog style video, and I don't really have any plans. I'm just recording what I'm doing daily. Not daily, but today. And yeah, I think it's going I think it's going well. If you like this type of video, let me know. I just didn't have any plans, or usually I have a plan to go somewhere or go to some building, but since I've been to everywhere in this area, so I just decided not to do anything like that. So I just kind of enjoyed myself while recording at the same time. I'm actually down on this street is actually like a kind of shady street for like different type of services for men and women. There's a lot of host bars, host clubs, and I always get asked if I want a massage, like a special kind of massage, when I'm walking down this street. So I'm actually on my way to meet my girlfriend. She went to go get a haircut with her friend, so we're gonna go meet her and then find something to do, maybe have dinner. Don't know yet, so that's what we're doing for now. So like this street has a bunch of like host bars and a Chinese restaurant and this massage place. So just this little small street. Sometimes you'll see a nice cars here. There's a lot of clubs also as well on this street. So at nighttime this place is really popping. Gets really crazy. It's another Chinese restaurant. Saw this maybe you can get a nice view of the river down here. It's the river here. This is more at the tail end of the river, so there's not much stuff going on, but there's a lot of Chinese restaurants here. It smells like China right here. And this okay, it's like a looks like a maid cafe. That it's like a restaurant. She told me I can't have a camera outside of the place. Ridiculous. She can't control me. I'm outside the establishment. I can have camera if I want to. Look at this. So in that restaurant they wear like maid cafe outfits, and then I guess they serve the people there. But yeah, it's kind of stupid. She's stupid. I'm sorry, but she's stupid. I mean, I can understand if you don't want me to have the camera inside of the restaurant, but I'm like 5 feet away from the restaurant outside of the establishment. If I wasn't in a good mood, I probably would have argued with her. Look at this. I think this is a host club as well, but not in here. It's got to be somewhere near here. I'm gonna go to this Donton Plaza. I think that's where I'm gonna meet my girlfriend, so I'm gonna cross the street. They got this van. I think they're promoting some sort of host bar with guys. I think this whole thing is covered with advertisement. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, so I met up my girlfriend, but she needs to wait for her friend because her friend's getting a haircut, so I'm gonna stop by 7-Eleven and get a drink. That area over there. 7-Eleven. Alright, some of these drinks look good. I'm not sure if I should get a sugary drink or just water. I'm just gonna get a Bacardi Sweat. I don't know why I like these though. Which one? The cheesecake one?
Mixed cheesecake.
Look at this one. Sweet. And they got a pineapple one.
Looks so sweet.
They got some shaved ice as well.
Try this one. Hasta aquí home. We talk about them.
Alright, so I left my girlfriend for a second. I'm gonna go find somewhere to eat because my girlfriend's not really hungry, so she's just gonna wait with her friend until her friend finishes her haircut, and I'm gonna try to find something around here real quick to eat. Alright, so I know that there's like cheap steak place around here, and I know that's pretty fast, so I forgot where exactly it is, so I'm gonna go look for it right now. It's pretty lively for a Saturday night. I found this place. Is it real massage Or is it a funky massage? If you know what I'm saying. These small streets. Oh, there's a restaurant in between here. Somewhere. Look at this bar. It's called Mistress. Bar Lunatic. Mistress. Alright, look at that. I found this small little alleyway here. Look at this. Whoa. I've never been here before. What the heck? I've never seen this place before. Wow. Alright, I think I found the place, but I'm not sure if it's open or not. Could be closed. Alright, it's closed. This Ikanari steak usually looks pretty good. I've never eaten here, but it's like a good deal for meat. Looks like everything's closing around here. I think even though that the lockdown is finished, they still have to close at 8 o'clock because it's about 8 o'clock. So I don't know what to eat anymore. It looks like people are heading home or walking around. Let's check if the glycoman is lit up. Alright. The glycoman is not lit up. And there is a crowd here. A lot of young people just come out here and just hang out in this area. It's like a parking elevator garage for cars. Alright, so I got to Amerikamura. It seems like a lot of young people just hanging out and just, yeah, hanging out over here. I think everything is closed. I try to go to a few restaurants and I think they're all closed at 8 o'clock. Usually they close later, but maybe the rule is that the lockdown ban is over, but they have to close at 8 o'clock. So it seems like I can't eat anything out here. Here's the mall. I think everything's closed. All the restaurants, pretty much. What is this? What is this? It's like a new place to shoot games? What is this? Alright, I'm gonna go to these back streets. See if there's anything interesting. I think I'm about to meet my girlfriend, then I'm gonna head home. So if there's nothing around, then I think that's it. This is the back streets of Namba. A lot of shady business going on out here. Actually, I was asked for a massage earlier when I was going down these small streets. There's a bunch of guys in suits. Looks like they're just going to a restaurant. There's this place. It's really interesting back here. What's going on? A lot of taxis. It's like every intersection, there's some sort of there's a lot of activity going on. And there's a lot of like bars and clubs back here. So there's a lot of people soliciting. I think they try to get people to go to their clubs and stuff. Right back here. These are all clubs. Look at the store. For late night snacks and alcohol. There's so many things going on back here. So many taxis, so many people. I've never been down this street because you know what? I come here during the day and usually it's not like this. Look at this. All this. It's got a flower shop here. It's open. Why is a flower shop open at night? Look at this. I think the nightlife is back on in Osaka. I think it's always been like this though, even with the lockdown. I mean, look at this. It's like, all right, well the clubs are like, we're gonna close down the restaurants because you know, we don't want anybody having infections, but we're gonna open up the clubs. That makes a lot of sense. But you know, they probably make a lot of money and they pay probably some people for this type of business, I guess. You know, it doesn't make any sense. The restaurants are closed at 8, but all the clubs are open. Well, you know what? I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure it is, because look at all these people out. These people are not... Look at all these people just standing out here. What are they looking for? These people are definitely going to some like nightclub or something. They're like all dressed up. And then some people are, I think, just walking through. But I think these are a lot of like host clubs back here. Like these places. Galaxy. The lights up. Alright. Look at this place. The Palace. So you're telling me the restaurants are all closed at 8. But you got places like these open. I mean, come on. I don't know, it just doesn't sound, it just sounds kind of fishy to me. Girls waving. Guy's on a scooter. Look at this Hummer. This guy's definitely going out to the clubs tonight. We stopped by this store that sells snacks. I think it's supposed to be really cheap. Alright, it looks like everything is closed here. So yeah, even though everything is open again, like the lockdown is finished, it's still kind of like on a quasi lockdown, just like Tokyo is, and there's some rules and all that stuff. So things are kind of back to normal, but at the same time, places and restaurants are closed at 8, and which I think I think it's a pretty good plan, because they don't want, you know, if everything is fully opened again, it's gonna be the infection rates are gonna go back up again. So if you watched all the videos for today, thank you for joining me and coming along with me all day. And please look out for future videos. I'm not so sure if I'm gonna use this video. I probably am, but I'm gonna look back and see if there's anything interesting. I think there's a couple interesting parts. So yeah, look out for future videos, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.